What up, YouTube? Hey, this Newsom Lawn Care coming at you, getting ready for the 2025 lawn care season. We're in April so far. 1st of April already just happened. This is day 2 of April. So I want to give y'all a quick update. If you look at my videos further back, I showed you how I had a used skid sprayer. Haven't did anything with it in a while, but I'm out here in the garage because got a little extra money. I was able to purchase the motor, the pump, the switch, and a spray gun. So what I did now, which I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see, I've started to tape it off, and I took my wire brush on my Dremel, well not Dremel, but my, grinder. Put a wire brush on my grinder and knocked all the loose paint off. And I got some Rust-Oleum, I'll show you real quick. Got some Rust-Oleum right here. Gloss protection enamel. I got Hunter's, hope you can see that, Hunter's green. And I told you I was gonna take that hose off too. The hose was messed up. So I gotta order my hose to put on my reel. You're gonna see in a second, I'm gonna add to this video, I did test the motor and it does work. On the reel, I just gotta wire it up. So, and I'm gonna try to also add to the video how much I've paid so far. It's gonna seem like I could have just went on and bought a new one, but I'm kind of enjoying this project. So let me flip this camera so you can see what's going on so far. All right, so as you see, I sprayed the motor, taped it off a little bit. I am gonna probably eventually take the tank off, but I had to spray the reel because if you can see closely from the chemicals in the old hose, it is pitted. I was able to pull it off. I'm gonna put a wire brush in there and make sure the threads is cleaned out. I did buy another one of these. It moves, but I just didn't think it moves free enough. I might end up sending the new one back, but the threads look good. I'm not gonna paint over it because it is stainless steel, but I spray painted that arm a little bit. I'm gonna knock some more rust off. You can see some of that rust there. I gotta blow it out. I'm gonna spray that down. Hopefully, you see them holes? I'm hoping that the motor I get, and I'm gonna attach it below in the video down there, the motor and the pump I got. I did get it from Spray Depot, so it should be here by next Friday, but I hope the motor mounting hose line up with that. If it line up with that, I am A-okay. And I got the filter, which I've been put that on a minute ago, and I just gotta run my hoses from the pump to here, and then put my new hose on there, and then wire it up. And I should pretty much be straight. But yeah, I might flip the tank off and try to get the skid, because you see how rusted it is. I don't want it to rust out. I don't want it to rust out further than what it already is. So I do got a sanding disc that I'm probably go over it again. But I'm just, spraying it down to make sure it'll look better and the rust won't keep eating at the metal. But let me know how you like this video. I know I ain't made no videos in a while. Like this video, subscribe to me. I got some more interesting stuff coming up. I'll probably show you how my yard came out from last year to now. But yeah, this is my big project. I know it took me a long time to get back to it. But yeah, I'm starting to get it ready, get it prepped. And I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that there ain't no holes or nothing in the tank. As long as there's no holes in the tank, we money. We are 100% money. And I'm getting I'm gonna put it on a trailer. So I'm getting a trailer frame from Harbor Freight. Put it together and drop this 200-gallon on that. And hopefully everything works out good. And y'all see it in action. All right, talk to you. check it out, y'all. First test to see if the actual real work, the motor work. Let's see. I think I had it, yeah. I'm gonna see which way I got it right here. Yep, there you go, look. All right, that's to wind it out. You reverse polarium, forgive me. Look at it. See? It works. Good job.